Hey, hi people, this is Aditya and you're watching TechMeIn YouTube channel. So here again I am with another video for a keyword. This keyword is ranking not only in United Kingdom location, as right now you can see I have selected United Kingdom as a location and also Google as a search console. So before we go ahead, I request you to please subscribe, like, because likes are very important for me at this point of time. I am only having few of subscribers. It's been more a year with YouTube, but I don't have much subscriber, I don't have much likes, I don't have much viewers, so I'm not making any of money right now from YouTube, and I'm not interested in money at all. I just need to focus on delivering the quality of content to my subscriber and audience. That's what my intentions are, and that's what my first goal is, right? So I do lot of research. If you are a YouTuber, you know how much effort and time is required to edit, cut and work, because I generally use Premiere Pro and I do the editing, everything, and that's really take a lot of time, you know. So I do a lot of research, it also takes a lot of time. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, let me tell you, I do a lot of keyword research for bloggers, for YouTubers, and I share those videos and I share those keywords here on YouTube platform. And nobody actually taught me how to do it. I learned from my own mistakes, from my own experience, and now I'm here in front of you because, you know, I'm helping you for free. This is a paid tool, and why I'm doing this for free, because nobody actually helped me and there was no one who can help me how I can move ahead in the blogging, right? So now I decided I will do everything for free for you people. So I have another videos as well on how you can start your YouTube journey. YouTube is really a good platform. You can just show your skills on this broader platform. So please subscribe, share, like are very important. And I've seen and noticed a lot of people are watching videos but not subscribing. I have seen a ratio of 60 to 40%, like 60 people are watching but not subscribing. That's really very unfair. So I request you all to please subscribe and keep on watching if you really want to be a good blogger. And I do everything for you on free, because people are selling these courses, but it's everything free here on my channel, right? Let's move ahead. So for today's keyword I've already copied, let me paste it here. So that is Forex Factory. I have selected United Kingdom as a location or as a geography. Let me click on search here. Now once we are on the href tool on Keyword Explorer, you can see the competition or keyword difficulty is 0. It means this keyword is very easy to rank on Google. You don't need any of the backlinks at this point of time. But just after releasing this video, I am expecting like people will create article on that and this competition will increase, right? So that's what happened generally with my other videos. So here you can see the traffic is 11k. That's pretty good for a CPC of $14. And here you can see 7.6 clicks. That means 7,600 out of 11,000. So these are really good clicks. Return rate is also pretty good. But here you see the global volume is 251,000. That's really very good. So that means you won't be getting traffic only from United Kingdom. That can come from Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, United States, India, United Kingdom, right? So unlike other keywords, I create the articles for your help. You need to go to blog section. You see my cursor here. I'm there on the blogs. Now I have created 4 blogs for you right now for previous videos. Like the previous video was Rainbow Riches Casino, then Footbin, and then Onyx Cloud Serpent, and then Tupagi. So now I'm gonna create another blog here. So while you will be watching this video, you would have got already this article here. So let me show you what kind of content you will be getting here. So here you can see the main or focus keyword, and then a bit of content with the stats, and then you will be able to see the related keywords. You see the related keywords, right? Here you can see the related keywords. You just need to copy all these keywords. So right now in this video, we are not going to discuss related keywords for this Forex Factory, because I'm gonna upload all these keywords here. You need to come to my website. You can go to description, check the link.